Hey everybody, David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, and another video on marketing your small contracting business. We are painting wallpaper contractors, so you'll see it come up on different questions we get asked here and there when we're out networking with different people, some of the mistakes on marketing. And I am by no means an expert, and we do not own a quote-unquote marketing business. We just market our own business, and we have some help with our website. We have some people managing some of our ads because they do it more efficiently than I can. But big mistakes, stuff that we've learned is, I think the biggest thing is not doing it. And if you're not marketing, you're missing the opportunities for people to find you. So number one mistake is not doing it. And I did another video, when do you start? Now. Doesn't matter what you do, just start. The second one is inconsistency. And I was awful at this, like especially with blog posting. So blogs are used, especially with Google and Bing, but Google, because, well, that's what we base most of our business off of. They look for regular input, regular updates, information. They want that content. And people using AI stuff now, well, it's AI. It's not real. It's not genuine content. People can't talk. No one can talk how I can talk. And a computer can't come up with things how I'm going to come up with. My wife says, I don't know where that came from. Well, I'll guarantee artificial intelligence can't take that left turn like I just made when I'm talking about something. Same thing with your marketing. People want to know who you are, but you have to be consistent in it. So if you're going to do blog posts, if it's once a month, just make sure you're doing it once a month. With emails, if you're going to do them once a month, make sure you're doing them once a month. I haven't gotten so specific or regimented that I'm doing them the same day, the same time every month, but we just do them every single month. Not sending thank you cards, I think, is a big one. If you do or you don't, it's just being that, have that consistency of doing the same thing over and over and over. And as long as you're consistent with your work, the results will follow from that. Again, I'm telling you what things that I still need to get better at because I'm not consistent. We actually have someone as a stay-at-home mom, a couple hours a week that we have her send thank you cards out. And it's just a simple postcard. Hey, thanks for having us out. Thanks for the business. Whatever the thank you thing is. But we are sending those out. So our goal this year is to increase the amount of actual repeat customers. So right now we're about 25, I think it's 28.2%, something like that is when we did the math on it. So our goal is to double it in the next 12 to 18 months to make it so that our referral and repeat business is 50%, because if I'm doing 50% on referral repeat business, that's less money I have to spend on marketing with Google, Facebook, etc. in order to get leads coming in. So those would be, as far as biggest mistakes, not doing it, doing it inconsistently. Did I say a third one? If I didn't, the other one is, consistency. So consistency also means what you're saying. So you can't just keep changing your logo. You can't keep changing your tagline. You can't keep changing what your messaging is. It has to be consistent because people need to know what it is. When you think about how many messages you see on a daily basis through Facebook or Google or what have you, it is a ton. And everyone else is seeing the same thing. So if they're seeing different messages or different logos or different names, they're not going to remember it. They need to see the same thing over and over and over and over. So consistency. So those would be what I know our biggest issues are that we need to fix. And so I would consider, depending on what book, they kind of get into those also. So personally, I think those are the three biggest mistakes in marketing. If you got questions on how we can help you with your marketing, maybe come up with ideas, brainstorming, we'd love to help. You can shoot us a message here, a reply, send us an email through david@defrancofinishes.com. Love to see how we can help you coming up with ideas and marketing your small business, because together we all get better. Hope you have a great day, and God bless.